Want a simple way to boost your energy, immunity, and overall health? Moringa powder is packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Here are 5 easy ways to add it to your daily routine. Stick around for a bonus tip at the end. Number 1. Smoothies. Just add 1 teaspoon of moringa powder to your favorite smoothie. It blends well with bananas, mangoes, or berries, making it a nutrient-packed drink. Number 2. Stir it into oatmeal or yogurt. Just mix half a teaspoon of moringa powder into your warm oatmeal or Greek yogurt for a healthy and filling breakfast. Number 3. Sprinkle it over salads or soups. Mix a small amount into your salad dressing or stir it into warm soup just before serving. Number 4. Make moringa tea. Just add half a teaspoon to hot water and let it steep for a few minutes. Add lemon and honey for a delicious detox drink. Number 5. Use it in cooking and baking. Stir a little moringa powder into scrambled eggs, pancake batter, or even energy bars. A great way to sneak in extra nutrients. Bonus tip: you can also add moringa to homemade face masks for glowing skin. Who knew moringa was this powerful? If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Nutrient Fusion for more health tips. See you in the next video.